It's a blessing.
Nene, she love Yardy. She love him bad.
Safety rules come first, you know? Yeah. So all the you students, Robert Lightburn, remember your safety rules. Whether it be metal work, carpentry, any skill area, remember safety comes first. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, for what? 5 whole years, is it?
Yeah, man.
6 years, come and do a year over. Yeah, man. It's a great day. Greetings, man. We just have that story of this year. You see, from a longer while. Yeah, man. What was I say from before? I man is not a wealthy nigga. I'm not a wealthy youth. But just a regular Jamaican youth way. I up and about daily. And I try to do the right thing. Because I know say your life short, you know, man. You see me? So I'm not going to spend my time and invest my life in doing wrong things. You see? Who want to do the maths for them way? Java could it, man. What do you get? You see me? It was a cassette player. Yeah, man. And boy, I don't know. It's a blessing, man. Real blessing. But I can't remember when my mother played the movie. Yeah, man. Dope in my house and a couple others. But Oliver Samuels. Yeah, man. Special shout out to the veteran, you know. Keep doing the right thing, sir. Yes, man. As from Iman was a youth, you touch Iman. Yes, man. I know say your Jamaican youths can be so great. Yeah, man. Can do marvelous things, you know. Yes, man. Oliver Samuels was a actor with me admire. Yeah, man. No matter what the media want to say or do, you see me? It's just a talented fella in my eyes. Yeah, man, I have to say a black man. I can, you know the energy, man. Oliver is just Oliver, you see me? Yeah, man. Alright, different from that. Different from falling in love with acting because of the general. Yeah, man. Enough people see me and feel like say, oh yeah, me make a portion that from the internet. Trust me. Me not make nothing. Yeah, man. I'm not go around nobody and say talk like I make a fortune. I ain't making shit. It's a blessing, bud. Yeah, man, I'm a super there, you know. So you want to take on the trade, you know. It's a blessing. Yeah, man, them money grow up, you know. Yeah, man, for what? 5 whole years, is it?
Yeah, man.
6 years, come do a year over. Yeah, man, it's a blessing. Yeah, man, master roof, you know.
Good youth, man.
Alright.
Me not squeeze him, but me squeeze the rest who one like them have a wicked man.
Which is right. Yeah, man, blessing, sir. Yeah, school, see, man, I'll check on, see if Mr. Granddad, yeah. Pass through. Blessings, sir.
Yeah.
Good day, everyone. Make a pass through, you know. You live on the work. True. Yeah, man. You know, Granddad, funny enough, me start a YouTube channel, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. And it a flourish so far, you know.
For real?
Yes, man.
What name? So we can come and subscribe.
Alright. Jamaica Yard Life 101.
Jamaica Yard Life.
Yes, sir.
101.
Yes, sir.
Like as soon as I'm done,
Yeah, man.
go on and say,
It's a blessing. Blessings, man.
Yeah, man. I'm glad to see you. So, all the exam gone yesterday?
Right now, me in the position where I just the certificate. Me I wait for it. Yeah, man. I'm doing my best, sir.
Time run out fast, too.
Me I tell you, man.
Man.
I tell you, it's a blessing.
Challenging and I say nothing now, go on. Run out away.
Which is right.
Yeah, right now, people, you see some youth in the street that say, they may want come for the next batch.
Yes, yeah. Man. Cause you know, funny enough, a whole heap of people watch my channel, you know.
For real?
Yeah, man.
I go as soon as I done tape up this.
Yeah, man. Me do up a little thing, and you know, me someone I love nature from one.
Yeah, I know.
Yes,
From
man.
day one.
True. You show them how you do.
Yeah,
So all is a man ever fixing it. And from school days, well, I didn't tell you all, I did mechanical engineering at school. I would do metal work. Yes, man. And Mr. Hall was my teacher at Robert Lightburn High School, and trust me, I couldn't get a better teacher. Trust me. Yes, man. He made me one of the mentors who make me who I am today. He's a blessing. Yeah, boy. I got that day I fix up a fridge, eh?
Yeah.
You want to put it together for somebody, some good soul, Yes, man. But sir, I'll chat back,
Alright, guidance and protection.
Yes, sir.
And we keep in touch,
Alright, yes, sir.
Yeah,
Stay
man,
strong, man.
respect.
Blessings every time. Yeah, man. I run, Remember all them high school days when I do project right here, so, Oh, my word. It's a blessing. We get some time. We have a lot for sure, This is hard. Really hard life, yeah? Oh, when you come to class, remember the safety rule. Yeah, man. Safety rules come first, Yeah, man. So all of you students, Robert Lightburn High, remember your safety rules. Whether it be metal work, carpentry, any skill area, remember safety comes first. Yes. Yeah, man, infiltrate the greetings, mom. Up on a boat another day, I'm still there, Robert Lightburn. You know me already. Always up and about, and I do the right thing. Yes, man. And you have quite a few students where have them finishing exams. Yes, man. And you have quite a few who ask me for pass through. So, you know me already. I just suit up, put on my uniform, because we're representing the best. Yeah, man. Heart is a blessing. Yeah, man. So, you know me already. Stay tuned. This is hard, man. Really hard life. It's a blessing. The sun has set. And we're in the cool hills at Trinityville, spending time around friends and family. This is, yeah man, schoolmates. Yeah, man, it's a blessing. East energy.
Yes, name general number one.
Rapper. Chop down,
You know what thing going on.
It's a blessing.
We're out here. Because sis, you don't know what thing going on.
Blessings. Yeah, man, when you're at school, like, you know this something go, me ever up on a boat and I get bag of trouble. Yeah, man. Bridging they have something to start out, is it?
Yes, come my little sister from Florida.
So what's the one going? Yeah, man, it's a blessing. In a real life. Yes, man.
You know what? When my little sister really text me and send me the link.
Yeah.
I'm a granny, me see her watching.
What's my name?
Me say, I swear you're grandmother. You don't know now you
Hear that? All our fear, grandma. I watch my channel. Oh my God, it's a blessing. Grandma, big of yourself. Yeah, man, it's a blessed day. Yeah, I know.
Oh, grandmother live with. Oh, no. I thought she was over.
Hold on there. What time them have finish and show this?
You can't tell her no about YouTube, boss. Everything she watch. When she research, she said, Sheena, them see if you do so and so, because one time you... Or is it my research? Me feel some research.
Man, I only for
I think she research.
Man.
What is that? Where up? Let me not say that again. From my vibes.
And a group something? Single something?
Yeah, I'll come up tomorrow.
Brother, just take time and attack it lick, isn't it? Yeah, man, let's attack it lick, bro.
No, come tomorrow. Monday before.
True. Proper way, man. Boy, that rough. Yo, brother, I'm not growing, I'm glad that commercial driving me,
Yo, fully thing complicated.
I feel them complicated.
Oh, the yellow one.
Oh, ski. I think them have to do video and well.
Bed making, you have to do video feed, send it in.
So if you're not a photogenic person, you're very...
whole heap of work, no
You
stop
don't
us.
do in a camera thing overall. It's a kind of sticky. You're going to whole heap of
And
retail.
ironing, fabric, and then the
So
steel.
it's true. Ironing now would have come for iron. You see me? When I go to school, I see them can cut you.
Well on.
That's how me go to work, you have to neat, brother.
High school, teachers pull up on me and say,
You know, nobody want to shout out. Give somebody a Christmas shout out. Say hi to mommy. Say hi to daddy.
Smile up.
Yeah, you can just say hi to mommy. Yeah, man, blessings, man. This is really hard life. I'm there with my class, well, schoolmate, not classmate, because I do commercial driving, but it's a blessing for up and about with the ladies, yeah? Real Jamaican woman. It's a blessing. Yeah.
Black and beautiful.
Yo! Yeah, man, this is yard, you know, me show no around. Well, me show no all of this already. Yeah, man, so we're here with classmates, and we just a chat, freelance, you know.
So I like up and still, but I just don't know no wood. I get with my cup.
China here, yeah, man, my girlfriend, you know.
Big
From a long time, but listen to the boy's story. Follow me, huh?
You hear him?
This is yard.
Yes, yeah.
There, man. Yeah, man, we're out here, yeah? This is yard. You can't get no more natural than this. We just here and talk about life. The things what we plan to do, like tomorrow and the day after tomorrow and in the future.
You like that girl?
Yeah,
You
man.
can't give me your arm and say yes.
Just so? I say it's easy to get to
Yeah.
No, I do.
She say, she say, alright, she done say, let me tell you what she done say. She done say, if you see her and you like her, you just call her, just hit her up, yeah? You know, we don't have my number, so for you get to be, you get to cheat.
See how we are so. Beautiful girl.
Yeah, no, edit it, man. Edit it.
Give me another piece. She's a beautiful girl of hotel image. You can put her in a hotel.
Yeah. Yo, this is how we live daily, you know, yeah, man. We just have fun and give thanks to life, yeah. As bad as things may seem, we're up and down from time to time, you know. Yeah, man, but hard, you know. Really hard life. It's a blessed day. Yes, man.
You see, up to the school, I can see for 5
Hold on. I come there, I give Empress a feature. Yeah, man, I come for you, man. Whoa, you know somebody more give a feature in the day. Yeah, man, it's a blessed day, you know. Yeah, man, it's a messenger from yard. Yeah, man, mommy always tell her story, you know. It's a blessed day. Jamaica yard life. Up on a boat.
Always.
Yeah, man. Come, give mommy a shout out, man.
You know, man, Nene, she love Yardy, she love him bad. So, she not getting a video from with you, so she vexed. So, Mommy Desireen, big up yourself.
Alright. Yeah, man, mommy Desireen, we love you. Yeah, man, love you. You see it? And everybody up and about. We all families. It's a blessing. Yeah, man. Yeah, take care of your mom.
Yeah, man.
And look for it, yeah.
Yeah, me have a look for you.
Yeah, man. Oh, they get a whole heap of trouble. Woo, school, there. Yeah, man. You know, we have to finish up, so we have to just grab as much love as we can and just dash it to you all. Yeah, man.
Them now to try to cause a fear student. But this is hard. This is hard. This is hard. No. If the girl
Blessings, man. Yeah, man. Yard life, we're up on about it. They're school as usual. Always I give myself trouble. Yeah, man. Even mommy. Whoa. Even. Yeah, the other thing again, I haven't said it to you all. I have my mask, but the reason why I'm not wear it because if my audio, you're not going to hear nothing at all, so that's the reason why I don't have on my mask. But other than that, I try to keep my distance, maintain my distance, yeah, man. But from time to time we get close because we're there every day and we try not to go nowhere other than school because we really want this, yeah, man. So everybody just up and about and do the right thing, yeah, man. Even.
So you must deal with the matter as soon as possible. Alright.
So she want the phone, see? It's a blessing. Yeah, like.